how to see your affiliate code in Temu. So before we begin, you can click on my link below to sign up as a Temu affiliate so you can follow along this tutorial and start earning some money. So guys, in order for you to see your affiliate code, you can just simply go to the search bar over here and just simply search for affiliate. And now it will redirect you to the affiliate page. And right away, you should be able to see this button, share to earn. So guys, as you can see, you will get 20% commission. So guys, when the person download the app and place an order within 30 days, you will get 20% commission. And for every referral who download and log in, you will get a $5 bonus. And from here, in order for you to earn that or to have the link, you can just simply click on share to earn over here. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to copy the template over here that Temu provided, or you can just simply click on copy link over here, which you will get only the link that you have. And now if we go back over here, if we scroll down, we should have three more options. So here we could have the $100 coupon bundle, which you can just simply click on share over here. And after that, it will be just the same process. You will have the template. And now when we go back, as you can see, for the 100 coupon bundle, you can get the QR code as well over here. So you can just simply click on that. And from here, you can just simply right click over here and click on save image as. And after that, you can just simply download it. And from there, you can just simply send it into your friends and other social media platform that you want to promote your affiliate link. And now another option that you have is go for the exclusive deal as well. So as you can see, this is for new app users. So from here, just simply click on share over here. And as you can see, it will be just the same process as well. And as you can see, you can share it directly right away with email, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. So now the last one is save big. So here on the save big, this will be qualified for all users. So you can just simply click on share over here. And after that, just simply get this link. And if you want to be more specific, you can just simply go for the pick items over here. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to see here multiple products. And when you click on share, you should be able to share this specific product itself in order for you to potentially earn. As you can see, you should be able to see here your maximum commission as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.